Hello everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how you can move between scenes by clicking on buttons. Here I have two buttons that I can click on. If I click on the PPE environment button or card, you can see now that I am inside the PPE scene. If I close the game and launch it again and click on the fire environment, then I will go directly to the fire scene. Here, if you want to go back to the main menu, you can add a button or something else that will let you go back. Okay, so let's get started. Here, I will add a new C# script. I will call it switch between scenes. I will double click on the script so that I can open it inside of Visual Studio Code or any IDE that you are using. Here, I will delete these two functions. And the first thing I need to do is to use Unity Engine.scene management. Using this, we can move between scenes. I will have two methods. The first one, public void open PPE scene. This function will allow me to load the PPE scene. And here, as you can see, this name should match the name of the scene that you have added in your project. Okay, this is important. If the name doesn't match, then this will not work. After that, I will add another function called open fire scene. And here I will write fire, because as you can see, fire, I need to spell it correctly. Okay, great. Now I can save this script and go back to Unity. But this is not the only thing that we need to do. If you try to run the script, then this is not going to work. We need to come to File. Let this finish first. Okay, go to File, Build Settings, and here you need to add the PPE and fire scenes. You can click on Add Open Scenes and they are going to be added here. Now we are ready to start working. Here, if I click on image container and go back to the scene view, you can see that image container represents the whole card. So I can click on this card wherever, and then I can go to the PPE scene. Okay, here I will attach the script, switch between scenes. Here you can see that this has the button component. I can drag this script into here, and when I click on this card, I will call the open PPE scene method. And this method, if we go back, will load the PPE scene. I will do the same thing for the fire environment card. Here I will attach the switch between scenes script. I will drag and drop it here, and instead of calling the open PPE scene, this time we will call open fire scene. Good. Now we are ready to test this. Click on play and let's see if this is going to work. Okay, I'll click on PPE environment. As you can see, the PPE scene has been loaded successfully. Let's test the fire environment. Let's click on it, and indeed it worked too. Now I will add one more thing. If you want to go back to the main menu, so this is a bonus that I want to add in this video. We need to click on, let's say, PPE scene. I will save this. Here I will add an empty game object. I'll keep it game object, doesn't matter. I will add a new script. I will call it or I can use the same script. I will attach it to the game object. Double click on switch between scenes scripts, and here I will add void update. And if I click on the space key, I will go back to the main menu. I don't want to open any of these, but I want to load the main menu or the main scene. So I need to take this string and paste it here. So here, inside the update method, I will be waiting for the user to click on space. If he hits space, then he will go back to the sample scene. Save the script, go back to Unity. I have done this inside the PPE scene. Now I will replicate this inside the fire scene. So save this, add a new empty game object, attach the script, switch between scenes, and now we are ready to test this. Let's open the sample scene, click play. Let's go to the PPE environment. Now hit space. As you can see, I'm back. Click on the fire environment, hit space, and voila, everything is working. I hope that by watching this video, you now know how to move between scenes. And if you have any questions, please make sure to tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.